Here is how to hide the recycle bin in Windows 11 and how to bring it back whenever it is needed. Feel free to pause at any time. You can slow this down or speed it up with a playback speed setting and turn subtitles on or off with the closed captions button. Method 1. Hide the recycle bin with desktop icon settings. Right-click an empty part of the desktop and choose Personalize. Open Themes, then click Desktop Icon Settings. In the list of desktop icons, untick Recycle Bin, then click Apply and OK. The icon disappears from the desktop straight away, while the recycle bin itself keeps working in the background. Method 2. Hide every desktop icon at once. Right-click an empty part of the desktop and hover over View. Click Show Desktop Icons to remove the tick, and every icon on the desktop, including the recycle bin, disappears at once. Method 3. Remove the recycle bin with Group Policy. This is for Windows 11 Pro and Enterprise. Press Windows +R, type pedit.msc, and press Enter. Go to User Configuration, then Administrative Templates, then Desktop. Double-click Remove Recycle Bin icon from Desktop, set it to Enabled, then click Apply and OK. To bring the recycle bin back, reverse whatever hit it. Retick recycle bin in desktop icon settings, turn show desktop icons back on, or set the group policy back to not configured. That's 3 ways to hide the recycle bin and how to restore it. For more Windows tips, visit our website in the description.